We are now moving on to most used and most useful formulas in Google Sheets. Imagine if you have a data set. Again, we are having our sales of our products, and these are done by and as you can see, we have the column state, product category, subcategory, and the amount. Imagine that, as you can see, the amount is in a very hectic manner. So we don't know what is the highest amount and the lowest amount. Luckily, through Google Sheets sort function, we can actually sort them. All I need to do right now is in the cell H5, I press equals, and then I start typing sort, open the brackets, and you can see we are having always as a starting point, refer to the Google Sheets kind of this help box. So as you can see, and we really want to understand what are the attributes of this formula that needs to be in. So we have a range, a sort column, whether we want in ascending or descending order. And then if we want to sort again by a specific, if we want multiple sort, then we can actually do that as well. And we will do this in the next exercise. But for now, let's focus on something simple and let's sort actually by product, and we are by price, by the amount, and the amount will be in the descending order. So how do we do that? So first, we're going to be selecting the range. As you can see, I've pressed shift and then arrow to the right hand side, then control shift down, that we are going to select exactly this data range. And by the way, if we want to make sure that if there will be more data coming through, we want to go beyond the row 104. All we need to do is to remove the 104. So right now we've selected all the rows starting from the row number 5 to all the way down actually to the rows, to the kind of the maximum amount of rows that the spreadsheet has. Then we don't need to have an absolute reference in this case, because again, this is going to be a very static formula. Sort column, and the sort column, as you can see here, is the number. This number is reflecting the order of the column. So if we start with the date, which is a column number 1, product number 2, category number 3, subcategory number 4, and finally amount is going to be number 5. All we need to do is type 5 here. I'm going to press 5 here. And then if we want descending or ascending order, obviously if you want ascending order, there is this clause of the true or false. In this case, we want false because we want this in the descending order. So all we need to do is to type false, and we're going to close the bracket. By the way, remember when you have rectangular brackets, it means that these attributes are optional, so you don't have to insert them if you don't need to. So I'll close the bracket and then I'll press enter. And there you go. We know that on this day, we know that actually we have a tablet which has been portable sold for nearly $5,000. I know, sounds insane, but you can see the key part is that it really is having a sort in the descending order by the amount. And this is how it is done on the basis of the one column.